Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Hippo Insurance app for property inspections, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install the Hippo Insurance app for property inspections, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Navigate to the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. For Android users, access the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Hippo Insurance. Press the search button to initiate the search. Look for the Hippo Insurance app in the search results. Check for the correct app by confirming the logo and publisher name. Tap on the app to view more details. Once on the app page, locate the Install button. Tap Install to begin the download process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, you will see the app icon on your home screen. Tap the Hippo Insurance icon to open the app. The first time you open the app, you may need to grant it necessary permissions. Follow the prompts to allow access to your camera, location, and notifications. Next, create an account if you do not already have one. Provide your email address and set a password for your account. Alternatively, you can sign in using existing credentials if you already have an account. Once signed in, navigate to the Property Inspections feature. Follow the on-screen instructions to start creating your property inspection report. You are now ready to use the Hippo Insurance app for your property inspections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.